guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm Farah D, and today I'm going to be telling you the 3 reasons why your Facebook ad is more than likely falling completely flat. Yes, we've all been there. We've put out a bunch of Facebook ads and nothing has happened. Nobody's clicked on them and we're just like, what am I doing wrong? So it's more than likely one of these 3 reasons. The first one is your target audience. You probably haven't dialed in your target audience enough, so I would definitely go back and spend a lot of time making sure you create the right target audience for your brand. Now, I would also say if you already have a warm audience, if you've been in the game for a while and you do have an existing audience from a previous marketing campaign, it is really good to retarget that audience. And then once you do that, you can then also create a lookalike audience where Facebook will just create a similar audience but at a much larger scale. Okay, now the second one is budget. Okay, so if I asked you how much are you spending on your Facebook ads, like, you're going to want to go away and think about that because it's probably not enough. A lot of people totally underestimate how much you have to spend on Facebook ads in order to get a return on investment. And that's just that is the way Facebook has created it, and that is just the way the system works. And it makes sense, right? If you're spending £5 a day on your Facebook ads, but a conversion costs £10, then the numbers don't add up. You're not going to get what you're looking for, and you're just going to waste your time and money. So I would definitely go back and look where you can pull money from different places to up your budget when you're spending on your Facebook ads. This is really going to help you. Third reason why your Facebook ad is not working is, for me, probably the most important one. Even if you get your target audience right, even if you have the budget in place, if you can't do this one, then nothing is going to work, believe me, and everyone overlooks this. It is your offer, okay? More than likely you have an offer that nobody's clicking on because nobody wants it. And why do they not want it? Because you have not understood your avatar's pain points. You've not understood it enough to create an offer that makes them take the time out of their day to click on your ad. And so many people get this wrong. And when I see the difference between a client's Facebook ads that do well and one that doesn't, it's because they do not have an offer that is pulling in their target audience. Okay, so how do you do this? Well, to put it really quickly, you really need to do a deep dive into their pain points. What is their problem? Then you need to find out what their desires are. What is the solution to the problem? And you have the solution to the problem because you're selling to them. So you have to bridge that gap from them, okay? So that when they look at the offer, click on it without even thinking, it gets to their subconscious mind because you have just created the perfect offer, and you need to be able to show them the before and the after. You need to tell them a story of, so this is you now, but this is where you will get to if you buy this product or this service. That is how you're going to do it. Now, that is mostly done with the copy itself. I am a copywriter, so it's very easy for me to say that, but I'm just going to give you a few tips and tricks if you are in the position where you can't afford to outsource a copywriter. What I would do is I would go to Facebook Ads Library. I would look at your competitors or other people in your industry, see who's running ads, and look at the copy on their ads. Do not copy it, but just to give you an idea of the kind of offer they have. And more than likely, if they are running a lot of Facebook ads, it means it is working. And then you can kind of mix it up and write your own ad with a similar kind of slant on it. So I hope this was helpful for you guys. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. This is a new channel, and I'll be bringing you a lot of mini videos, tips and tricks for digital marketing and copywriters. Thanks for watching.